and it makes it easier to grade, and you usually get a better grade on your paper. All right, so there's 5 levels of headers. I'm only going to go over the first 3. Honestly, in student papers, if you get below 2, you must be writing a really long paper. So the first one they call level 1. And level 1 is simply, centered, bold, and all of a sudden my computer hung up. Center, bold, and title case. There we go. So what that would look like is, I'm just going to call this my level 1 header. Again, so you notice I capitalized the letters. That's title case. To make it bold, I just highlight it and I make it bold. And to center, I go over to paragraph and center. So that's my level 1 heading. Usually it's like, I put up here the main body of my paper. So that's my level 1 heading. So next we have level 2, which is left justified. It's bold and it's title case. Sorry about that. I'm not a very good typer. So we'll just put in title there. All right, so what that looks like is it's left justified. Again, it's bold. My level 2 header. It's already to the left, so left justified. I typed it in title case, so all I have to do here is make it bold, and I'm set to go. So that's my level 2 header. And for some reason, my cursor just hung up again. Come on. All right, there we go. We're back live again. My computer keeps hanging up on me. All right, so again, I'm only going to go down to level 3. So level 3 heading is simply left, italic, and title case. So my level 3 header. So I typed it in title case. This time instead of bold, I'd make it italic, and I'm already to the left. So those are the top 3. If you get down to level 3 in an undergrad paper, you're going far, but I've included that on the APA sheet if you want to look it up. So those are the 3 levels for the headers, and we will take it from there. Thanks for watching.